Hey guys! Hello, hello, hello. Happy Vlogmas to you! To you and you and you! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love to see cars getting their Christmas trees. It's so amazing. Do you guys notice anything different? I don't know. What could possibly be different that you're noticing? My hair is cotton candy pink. I'm so excited, you guys. I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled beyond thrilled. Hold on, girl. Okay, here we go. I am out and about running some errands. I had to get out of the house, and there's a couple little tiny Christmas things that I've got to get. How are you guys doing? Like, what is going on with all of my beautiful little Kitafitters out there? My little warriors out there. I am super excited. I actually just like Christmas time is like my absolute favorite time of the year. I absolutely love it. It's so festive and just full of like good energy and good people. I just don't think there's enough room there to like turn right. Anyway, you guys, I am feeling so like cozy and warm. It feels so good in Tucson, this like beautiful sunlight. It's just like this warm, beautiful light. It's just feeling so good on my body. I have a little bit of bronzer on, threw some lip gloss on, threw some quick eyeshadow on, and glasses and a hat, and I'm out the door. I tell you what, it's so beautiful here. If you guys ever want, I have to say it, like an affordable place to move your family where it just feels like warm and toasty and nice, and it's great to breathe. It's family friendly. Not that I have kids. I don't have kids, so I don't know. But oh my gosh, you guys, that light is hitting my blush and making my blush look like on overdrive. I've got to get an SD card because I want to take a lot of pictures when I'm back in San Diego. So I've got to go do that. I want to get a coffee and or a tea. I don't know whether I want to do a coffee or a tea. I just wanted to get out of the house for a little bit. And then I want to just get a couple other things, like a candle or something. I want to get some things for my husband. I don't really know what, but just want to get a couple like cute little things for him. Something fun for him to open up on Christmas. But gosh, you guys, it's just so nice out. It's so beautiful and warm, and it just feels so good. What was I gonna say? Yeah, out and about in Tucson. So what are you guys up to? What do you guys do? What is your like fun week before Christmas ritual that you do? I know that most people, families, sometimes I think kids have like Christmas break off. I think this is like the time that they have like breaks off. But what are you guys doing for your Christmas break? Leave in the comments below. Let me know, where are you watching from? I see that my number's in Australia and England and Australia, England, and I'm trying to, what was the other country? Those numbers are really starting to go up. And when I say really starting to go up, it's probably just one person in each one of those countries, because I'm still a baby little YouTuber. I just, you know, I get notifications all the time. We'll make your station grow big if you do this, this, and this. And I'm just like, you know what? I'm just not interested. I'm interested in people finding me through like friends or friends of friends, and I'm honestly, I'm just enjoying documenting this entire process of just like living in Tucson and being away from San Diego, and just enjoying what this whole process is like. So someday when wherever we end up, it'll just be neat to kind of like look back at these videos and just be like, oh yeah, I remember that, or I remember when I was doing that. Do you know what I mean? Blah blah blah. Anyway, you guys, I love you so much. I want you to just get in the Christmas spirit, get out of your house. If you're kind of feeling down, just throw a little sun hat on, or look, I'm wearing a little orange hat, and just go out and give yourself like a little coffee or a tea. I'll try to vlog through my little adventures that I go on today, through little stores or whatever. And if I don't, listen, stand in your light, stand in your truth, and above all else, be my warriors. I love you guys so much. Take care. Bye. Love you. Mwah.